Hey everybody, I want to show you guys a quick demonstration on how to use our cream eyeshadows. I'm going to be recreating this look on this eye for you guys, and we're going to show you every step of the way and how I achieved it. This is just 3 cream eyeshadows. It's Lava Dragon, Incense from our Falloween collection, and Tahitian Sands. So stay tuned and we'll get right into it.
This is everything we need for the tutorial. We have your cheap eyeshadow sponges to apply the cream shadows. Those are super nice. And then a fan, most important to dry each and every shadow in between. Tahitian sands, lava dragon, incense, a lash, glue, and eyeliner. And this is it. That's all you need. First, I'm going to be applying incense on my outer lid and crease. I'm going to work it way into the middle. I'm also going to bring it out and into a point. And I'm just working it towards the middle, getting a nice opaque coverage. Once I have it exactly how I want it, I'm going to do the most important step, which is fan. And I sped the fanning up. Normally it takes about 30 seconds to dry with a fan and about a minute without. So I sped this up for you guys. That way you didn't have to sit there and watch me fan. Next, I'm going to be taking Lava Dragon out of our dragon scales. I'm going to be applying it on my inner lid and crease. I'm going to work it over the incense that I have in the middle and also the inner corner of my eye. Put down a thin first layer just to get it where I want it to go. That's how I have it looking how I want it to look. I'm going to add just another thin layer to make it a little bit more opaque. Next, I'm going to flip the sponge around and blend the incense and the lava dragon just a little bit more together. Both of those palettes are so versatile. And of course, fan. Fan, fan, fan. Really, that's the most important step. Can't forget that. You can feel it cooling too. It's the aloe. Once it's dry, I notice I have missed a spot. So I'm just going to apply just a tiny bit more lava dragon and blend it into what's already there. Next, I'm applying Tahitian sands on a clean sponge, only on one side. We're going to use the other side to blend it in. This is such a powerful color. It's absolutely beautiful as a highlight and a highlighter. And I just flipped the sponge over there to blend it in, because wearing this color you can be seen from space. Alright, now that I have everything the way I want it to look, we're going to fan away. Alright, now that I stopped feeling the cooling sensation and it looks more sparkly, I'm going to go on to the final steps of applying liquid eyeliner. I'm doing it in a nice line here, bring it out to the corner. I actually mess up when applying it on the inner corner and put a bit too much, but it's easily fixable. You can just rub it right off with my finger without messing up our look. The final step is closing all my eyeshadow jars. That way they do not dry out. And then we're going to be doing the lashes. I'm going to be putting a really even coat of glue along the inner rib of the lash, which I'm doing that right now. You can tell by my total concentration. And after that, in order to speed the drying up to be able to apply the lash faster, I use my trusty fan and I fan the glue. I'm using the Duo Black, so as it gets drier, the glue actually gets darker, and that's how you know it's ready to be stuck on. So fan, 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 even the lash. And that's it for this look. Just a lava dragon, incense, and Tahitian sands. Just 3 colors make such a beautiful look. Hope y'all enjoy!